Hi, I'm Jennie. It's really nice to see you again. Today's menu is fishy cake soup. So I will show you that this is a fishy cake. And this one actually made fishy flesh and some flour and starch and mix and make this kind of variety kind of shape. So it's really famous in Korea. And actually this one is, I think, in winter season, we love to eat. So there's many kind of fishy cakes. And the most important things is how to make the soup is delicious. So this one is ingredients to make a soup. So onion, it's turnip and green onion. You know, this one, 청양 and red pepper and bok choy. And should I take mushroom and some seasonings. And this is minced garlic. And when we make the soup taste good, so this one we can find at the market. It's very easily. And here some anchovy and some seaweed and green onion and garlic and etc. So make the soup delicious. So it's and also easy to make this fish cake soups. First, you boil the water. Okay, you boil the water, and I will cut these vegetables, all the vegetables. And first, the turnip. If you go to a Korean food cart, and there's a really big pot of this fish cake soup. And here's the turnip is they cut a very big size. But today's, if you make it at home, it's easy to make, so cut a little bit smaller size. Okay, and put here. Okay, and also this green onion. So we don't eat this one, so just for soup. So cut like big size, okay? And also you cut. And this green onion's white part. Also. Okay. And here, 청양 pepper. Okay. You put it. Okay. And onions. So you leave it, and then I will show you how to make this fishy cake. You know, you can just cut, and after this boil this soup, when the soup is boiling, and you can put it. But now I'll show you. If you have this kind of stick or chopsticks, use chopsticks. And here's you make this fish cake easy to eat and also it's good to see. So make it like this. And if you have a bigger size and you fold it like, and this one is too big, so I will cut. Okay. And this kind of fish cake, you fold like this, and okay, one more time. Okay, and this one, and also this one. Okay, and like this. So when the soup is ready, you put this one inside the soup and boil together, okay? So I will prepare, and here I'll show you. If you have a bigger size, and cut it. This one, I think I will use here like this. This is thick enough, so okay, I'll make one more stick. There's many variety kind of fish cakes. Something is inside, there's a real rice cake, and also the spice one, also a vegetable fish cake, or variety kind of a fish cake. Okay, now I'm ready. Now look at this, the soup is boiling, okay? So maybe this one is a soy sauce for the soup. So I will pour this one. One and 2 spoonful of soy sauce. And here, and this one, cooking wine. 1 spoon. And just before I show you this powder, I'll put half spoon. Okay, because of Changyang chili, this soup taste is a little bit spicy. Okay, this is boiling, so I will taste a little bit because I'm not sure that this is too salty or... That's good, but a little bit spicy. Okay, here, actually, this soup is boiled is enough time, so the taste is better. But just this time I'll show you. So take it out all of these ingredients, okay, vegetables. So you take out. When the soup is boiling enough, about 20 minutes is okay. And you taste it a little bit. And then you feel, oh, that's it. That time, you take it out, this ingredient. And here, but I suggest that you put this turnip. Turnip is, when the turnip is well cooked, is very delicious. So I suggest that you put this turnip. And here you put this minced garlic. But it's when you just put minced garlic mixed together, this particle is float. So you use this one and put minced garlic like this, and just like this. Okay. So you can make a more clean soup. Okay, now you put this fish cake here. Okay, and this one, so without stick, you just cut just the right size to eat. Say cut and put inside. It's okay. Like this. And also you pour this soup onto the fish cake like this. Okay. So just leave this soup is boiling enough. So I'll make the sauce. We need a little bowl here. I will show you how to make the sauce for this soup. Here you pour some soy sauce. But in Korea we have a different kind of soy sauce. So one is a little bit dark one. It's just a sauce, or when you mix the vegetable, and then you can use this one. But just when you make a soup, we use little bit soy sauce for the soup. So it's a different kind. So I will pour this one. So when you serve the sauce, so each person have the sauce. So if you have enough, many people, you make enough sauce. And if you 1 or 2 and make a little sauce, okay? And then this is a plum syrup. And here you pour this one. It's a cooking wine. 1 spoon. And then here some water. So water 2 spoon like this. Because it's too salty otherwise. And here you put some green onions. Chop. And a little bit of Chang chili. Okay. And you mix it. Now look at this. This is boiling. Because of the colors, I will use this one a little bit. Now you see, it's boiling. But in your house, at home, you can eat like this. Just to eat during the boiling the fish cake. And then have dinner. And you have induction. And then put on this pot here. And just to eat. Now I will just show you how to put in the pot. But anyway, you can eat like this. And this one, pak choy, you cut like this. And one more. It's too big. And now this one is a shiitake mushroom. Just cut the stem here. Okay. And then you make a little flower. Look like a flower. You cut a little bit. If you don't have, it doesn't matter. So, like this. Okay. Make like this. Now I will put this one in the pot. Okay, now put like this. No. Okay. And this bok choy and turnip. Okay. And here you put this shiitake mushroom. Okay then. Now this one is fish cake soup and this sauce. When you eat, you take this fish cake stick and then take it out and you dip this sauce and then eat. Try this one. And when you have a family gathering, and you can make it this kind of things. And if you have some noodles, after that, you pour the noodle inside this soup. Use this soup. It's also really nice. Okay, how does it look like? It's really nice, isn't it? Okay, have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!